I'm sure you've heard the news. There's a new hero in the world of cat care. Introducing the pet-safe, scoop-free, smart-spin, self-cleaning cat litter box. Imagine a world where your cat's litter box cleans itself. No more scooping, no more smell. The pet-safe, scoop-free Smart Spin has a sealed waste drawer and an integrated deodorizer to keep the stink at bay. But wait, there's more. With the Smart Spin app, you'll get real-time updates on your cat's activities. Want to know your kitty's weight or how often they use the box? No problem, the app's got you covered. And the best part? The 6-liter waste drawer holds up to 2 weeks of waste before you even need to think about cleaning it. Say goodbye to litter box hassles and hello to more cuddle time with your furry friend. Get your scoop-free Smart Spin today and make your life, and your cat's life, so much easier. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more pet tips and tricks.